Hello guys, let's quickly speak about the Alapin Sicilian e4, c5, c3. So the straightforward idea is to take the center with these two pawns. After white plays d4, black takes, let's make a random move like g6. And so you take the center. The center gives you space for developing your pieces, and black, whether they play, let's say, knight to c6, you can attack them and push them back, and it's good for your game. So of course it's not the right move to play g6. There are certain replies here. Black can play e6, which can be transpositioned to French defense, and that's how I played against c3 myself with black. And let's say in this position black can try this move d5. So we take, black takes, and they get early in the game the queen in the center, and I don't like really this c5 move. So next you have to at some point play d4, and in many positions white get this isolated pawn, which some of you might consider not the best decision for white, but it gives a lot of space again for white here. Another move here is knight f6, but for beginner level this position is just untraditional. You don't really have to follow up. I'd play something like bishop c4, and the position is very imbalanced. If black plays something like doesn't know a lot of theory, and they play knight c6, so again you take the center. If black takes immediately, then it's good. It should be good for white, I guess, because they have this square for the knight on c3, which is very important, and then they get standard developing. But if black knows what they're doing, they will play, I think, d5 and play this position. So I suggest playing something like this: knight f3, bishop to g4, and something in this area, just to reinforce this d4 square and play this positional game. If black takes here, then you can get two bishops. Alright, thank you very much for watching, and see you next time.